Wild Flowers of Goa, Ranvotti Phoolam, translated in English to Konkani. Friends, once again, welcome to my channel konkanilearn.com. Today's video is about the wildflowers that are locally found in Goa. Wildflowers of Goa are mostly seen during the rainy season. Some flowers can be explored during the post-monsoon. These flowers create a beautiful travel spot around the whole of Goa. Most of the wildflowers are used as medicinal herbs and help to improve the soil health, prevent erosion, and improve the water quality. Today we will explore some of the Goa's most beautiful wildflowers and their Konkani names. We will also provide information on where to easily find them so you can enjoy their beauty for yourself. Remember, I have an article already published on my site. So for more details, visit the site and check it out. Here comes the first flower, Golden Himalayan Senecio. Ami Konkani Bashen Sonki Muntat. Second flower, Garden Balsam. Ami Konkani Bashen Teka Chirda Muntat. Tisre flower, Wild Till. Ami Konkani Bashen Gondon Ful Muntat. Chothe flower, Dobi's Handkerchief. Ami Konkani Bashen Butkez Muntat. Panchwe flower, Tiger Claws. Ami Konkani Bashen Chitale Muntat. Sixth flower, Wild Turmeric. Ami Konkani Bashen Kachura Muntat. Seventh flower, that is Pagoda flower. Ami Konkani Bashen Ratful Muntat. Flower number 8, that is Silver Coxcomb Silver. Ami Konkani Bashen Komdi Ful Muntat. Ninth flower, that is Button Head Pipewort. Ami Konkani Bashen Butao Muntat. Flower number 10, Little Persian Violet. Ami Konkani Bashen Kudache Ful Muntat. Flower number 11, that is Spanish Cherry. Ami Konkani Bashen Ovala or Ola Muntat. Flower number 12, Malabar Jasmine. Ami Konkani Bashen Mogra Muntat. Flower number 13, that is Purple Eranthemum. Ami Konkani Bashen Dashmuli Muntat. Flower number 14, the Flame of the Forest. Ami Konkani Bashen Rokta Ful Muntat. Wild flowers of Goa. Here is the conclusion. Goa's vibrant landscape extends beyond its pristine beaches and bustling markets. The hidden beauty lies within its diverse and captivating flora, particularly its wildflower population. The wildflowers of Goa are more than just fleeting beauty. So, I have collected 14 flowers that are mostly found in Goa. If you know any more, please mention them in the comment section. I will add them in my site. Thank you for watching the video. You take care. Mog Asundi. Bye bye.